a simple and delicious recipe of pops you can give your children anytime and eat them with all the pleasure in the world. You have your yogurt, your almond butter that's unsweetened because we are going to add the sweetener, which in this case is the honey, and we want to know how much we add. And then the blueberries. We're going to place our blueberries, which is a cup of blueberries, and a little bit of water. Now we're going to put it in high, and in about 5 minutes, they're going to let all of the juices come out, and they're going to be sweeter than they were before we placed them in the pot. Let's get them cooking quicker by putting on the top. And in 5 minutes, you have a delicious blueberry like jam or sauce that we're going to add to our yogurt. And this is going to be our pops. It's going to be the blueberries with the yogurt, the almond butter, the honey, and that's it. They're going to be delicious. After they're done, we're going to cool them under some ice so that our ice cream hardens quicker when we put it in the freezer. So we have some ice water right here where we're going to put our blueberries just to cool them off. Normally when you're making it, you just leave it there until it cools and you're ready to go. Now they started cooking. You can actually add a little bit of cinnamon here if you want. You can add a little bit of ginger, maybe candied ginger, or any other spice that you like. But for these, I'm going to do them plain because they're for children. Look how quickly they begin to cook. It's very, very fast. Stop and start. Now, as soon as all of the water is evaporated, that little bit of water we added to create steam. And that look at how beautifully colored they come out. As soon as it dries out, we're ready. And you have a jam or you have a jelly. It's more like a jam because we're gonna leave everything there, the skin, and if they had any tiny seeds also, because they're full of fiber and we need all that fiber. And also the most antioxidants are in the skin. And now it's not liquid and we're done. So we are gonna place it here. You can see from here that it's thickened. So now we're gonna put it on ice so that it cools quickly and then we can finish our yogurt ice cream snacks. So now we're going to mix our blueberries, which, check them out. They're a perfect, beautiful jam that we made in 5 minutes with no sugar. If your blueberries are very tart, then you can add a little bit of maple syrup or honey, whatever you like the best. And I have my spatula here sitting to do. This one then. We're going to add our yogurt here first. This is a mix of yogurt, honey, and the almond butter. You would ask, why do I buy almond butter with no sugar or salt if I'm going to add it? And that's exactly why. Because I want to add it and I want to know how much I add into it. Look how beautiful this is going to be. Normally, I'll just clean it all up with a spatula before adding it. And look at how beautiful it's going to come out. are going to be our yogurt ice cream cubes. Here we go. This is so delicious that if you have unexpected guests, you can make it in no time. You can add any other fruit you want. You can make strawberry, even mango, or another fruit. Just cook it the same way and then refrigerate it. Make the mix and serve it in a beautiful wine cup. Add a piece of chocolate and you have a beautiful dessert in minutes. Now check them out. They're all flat and beautiful and they can go into the freezer. So with double the recipe, they're going to be completely to the top, and you can double the blueberries if you want to do it completely the same, and then you can fill up a bigger mold, which was this that I was going to use, but I decided to use this one. You can use any kind of mold you have. Now we're going into the freezer. Some hours later, they're frozen, and check out how easy they come out of these molds. We have a delicious snack made with wholesome ingredients for parents, for kids, and enjoy delicious food. With Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. Enjoy! See you later!